How to get an invoice from Temu. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Temu. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in this page, head over to You at the bottom of the screen. Click on this headset icon at the top right corner. At the bottom, the option of Contact Us will be visible to you. Click on it. You will be landing on the chat section with the customer service of Temu. So once you're in here, in the text box, you simply have to type in Invoice and then send it to them. Wait for a while for their response. Well, you can see they have responded to you. So you can see that they have provided you with the instruction to it. At the bottom, you can see it says, currently we do not support tax invoices or credit notes, which means that the invoice is not currently available in Temu app. All you can get is the receipt of your order. You can read all of this guidance in order to get the receipt, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get invoice on Temu. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.